Do you know your spark plug tell you a lot about your engine? It's telling you your engine health than even your dashboard light. Don't worry, don't ignore this. If you ignore this, you are slowly destroying your engine. Have you ever checked your spark plug before? Yes or no? Most driver or you personally, you think is your spark plug only wear out with age. But here is the secret I'm going to expose. Sometimes oil burning, worn rings, or valve seal fail can contribute to your failed spark plug, can warn your spark plug. In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between normal spark plug wear and oil burning damage. That is the image you are looking at. Now let's talk about normal spark plug wear. You need to know that at when your car covers some miles, your spark plug wear, that is normal. But when your spark plug wear normal, this is what you're going to see. Three things. One, the light gray or tan deposit on the spark plug, it will be there. You will see rounded electrode edges, it will be there. Then no wet oil or thick black buildup on your spark plug. That is to tell you that your engine is doing fine. The combustion is healthy. The air fuel ratio is balanced and oil is not going where it shouldn't go. That is a sign of normal wear or spark plug should be. Now let's talk about oil foul spark plug. Sometimes, as I mentioned before, when you remove your spark plug and you notice that it is wet, it is oily, or it is covered in thick black deposits, that means your engine is burning oil. It could be these three reasons. One, you have a worn piston rings, bad valve oil seal, cylinder wall wear, or sometimes tuber seal fail. What you have to do is that if you're having this problem, don't ignore it, because it's slowly killing your catalyst converter and even your oxygen sensor. So what happens if you ignore it? You notice you are going to have rough idling and misfiring, loss of power, increased fuel consumption, blue smoke from the exhaust, and sometimes engine damage that even talk to full engine rebuild. Is that scary? Yes, but you can avoid it when you pay attention to your plug, spark plug. Now, what are the steps you should do that will help you as a DIY person? The first step is that when you remove your spark plug, you need to inspect it. Compare each cylinder. Know each spark plug that you remove from each cylinder. If you see any spark plug that is oily, soaked, that is a red flag. Then you need to pay attention to that cylinder. But if all the spark plug, if you are using 4-cylinder and all the spark plug are oily, that is to tell you that you have a bigger issue. You may need to go for cylinder head overhauling or the complete engine overhauling. So can you clean the spark plug and keep using it? That's another topic I'm going to discuss in another video. Well, do you learn anything from this video? If you learn something, then follow me for more engine tips. When I'm going to do another video, YouTube is going to give you notification. See you in another video. Thanks.